how to send money with Zelle in Bank of America. Now, this actual process is very easy and it's just a few steps away and then you're done. Now, before you pull up the application, ensure that you're currently using the latest version of the app by going into Google Play or wherever application or app store you're using to download apps on your phone. Update it so you will not encounter any issues. Now, next is pull up your Bank of America application, and there you should log in into your account using your user ID and password, and then hit on login. On the next page, you will be redirected into the dashboard of Bank of America, where you can see transfers, Zelle, wire, and pay bills. Now choose on Zelle, and then on the next page, you will be asked to send, request, or to split. Now choose on send because we're transferring money over. And then next on that is accessing through all your contact list to whatever contacts you linked into your Bank of America in. And then you can also add note to that specific person where the money is going to be sending to, and then hit on next. Review the specific details if those are correct, like how much you're sending and all the information to the receiver or the recipient on the money that you will transfer. And then lastly, the last part of the page is to your payment is scheduled or the payment was successful or confirmed, and just simply hit on done. And that's it. That is how you send money with Zelle and Bank of America.